In this video, I will show you how to open demo account in expert option. So your demo account will automatically become available once you have actually signed up to expert option or if you actually visited their website. My website right now is app.expertoption.com and we can see right here that we have in here the demo balance. So in order to utilize this, just choose in here the investment, choose from selling or buying as well as the deal duration, and then choose whether to sell or buy. For this case, I'll head over and then buy something. When you buy something, the goal is to stay above in here under this line. If you sell something, the goal is to stay below. So as since right now I'm actually losing, but let's hope that by the end of this particular line, we will actually earn something. As you can see right here, it's increasing and I have a good feeling about this and I hope we actually earn something through this case. So in this way, this is only just demo balance. You will not earn or lose something. And as you can see, we have earned $94 for that way.